Welcome back to the old Pejeta vlog, and this month Khadia has a question.
Why do birds have such different shaped beaks?
Look, cover! Oh, thank you very much. We scared her off the nest. Look, she's got eggs. All right, Mrs. Plover, you can come back now. Look, she's coming. Oh, so sweet. That was fun, wasn't it? And you thought birds were boring. Let's go and see what other birds we can find in the swamp. That's a crested crane and some others.
What are they?
There's a sacred ibis and a spoonbill. Look at the way it's feeding. It's sweeping its beak from side to side, sensing fish and larvae and things. And the ibis is probing around in the mud, looking for frogs, snails and other small things, I think. And now the crested crane is pecking at the grass seeds. And there's a saddlebill stork, just standing there on one leg, waiting to spear a fish when it moves. See how they all have different shaped bills, depending on the way they feed? So there's your answer. Birds have different shaped beaks because they eat different types of food. Wow, it's such a treat seeing groups of black rhino together, isn't it? When I first came to Kenya 30 years ago, it wasn't unusual. But nowadays, because of all the poaching, you usually see black rhino alone. But this is the second group we've seen today. It shows how successful old Pejeta is in protecting their rhino.
Look at all the zebras coming to drink. That's probably why they filled up the trough, because they can't find any water.
Yeah.
What's that noise?
Do you know what that is? Look at the warthog. The male warthog following the female. They're courting. The male makes that, I used to call it a tractor noise. That means we have babies, hopefully, when the rain comes in April. Should be piglets around.
Yeah.
Make sure you check out our next post when we'll be down by the river.